Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on April 2nd, 2026, just 2 days ago. It introduces a framework for open-ended discovery, a process where models continuously search for novel solutions and accumulate knowledge, and achieves 3 to 10 times higher improvement rates than fixed baselines across 10 different tasks. The paper is titled Coral Towards Autonomous Multi-Agent Evolution for Open-Ended Discovery. And as we will see later, letting multiple agents organically share memories and collaborate leads to some really striking optimization breakthroughs. For those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, to see these results in action, this figure highlights the performance on Anthropic's kernel engineering task. The goal here is to optimize a graphics processing unit kernel, which basically means rewriting a core piece of software to run faster by minimizing its execution cycles. The top chart tracks the optimization score over time, where the 4-agent setup for Coral significantly outperforms the single-agent and baseline models. Finally, the table at the bottom confirms that Coral reduced the execution to 1,103 cycles, achieving a massive speedup over the unoptimized baseline. Well, to see how Coral drives those improvements, Figure 1 breaks down the differences between discovery paradigms. The traditional approach on the left relies on fixed evolutionary search, where hard-coded rules dictate everything from selecting context to updating memory. Moving to the middle, an autonomous single-agent framework gives the model much more control over what it inspects, tests, and stores. Finally, on the right, we see the multi-agent evolution paradigm used by Coral. Multiple agents operate in parallel and independently manage their own workflows, while continuously sharing knowledge through a central memory pool. Okay, to see how all these pieces fit together, Figure 2 maps out the entire Coral framework. On the left, the autonomous loop illustrates how multiple agents operate in their own private workspaces, independently planning, editing code, and evaluating solutions. But they do not work in total isolation. On the bottom right, the shared persistent memory acts as a central hub where agents constantly pool their findings, logging attempts, sharing insights as notes, and saving reusable code as skills. Finally, to prevent the search from stagnating, the heartbeat monitor on the top right steps in. These heartbeats are periodic interventions that force agents to reflect on their progress, consolidate scattered notes, or pivot to a completely new strategy. So, after mapping out the framework, Table 1 compares a single-agent version of Coral against fixed baselines across mathematical and systems optimization tasks. The final score columns on the left show that Coral sets a new state-of-the-art on 8 tasks, highlighted in cyan, and matches or beats baselines on all 11. Moving to the right side of the table, the improvement rate and the number of evaluations reveal another major advantage. These metrics demonstrate that Coral achieves much higher success rates, while requiring significantly fewer attempts than the alternatives. Alright, to wrap up, the main takeaway is that giving agents true autonomy over exploration and memory drastically outperforms rigid, hard-coded rules. By enabling multiple models to coordinate organically, this framework sets a new standard for open-ended scientific discovery. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.